Oh, hey, Cass.
Hello, Dean.
So, hey, Cass, I was feeling bad about the whole you being stuck here on Earth thing, so I thought I'd make you a present.
What is it, Dean?
I made you a playlist.
What kind of playlist?
Just have a listen to this.
Dean? Dean?
And I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is dead. I'm loving angels instead, and through it, oh.
Dean?
What?
This isn't funny, Dean.
Are you kidding? It's hilarious.
Hmm.
Cass?